I'm gonna do another thrift flip. Yay! So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'm a big fan of anything backless tops, dress, hubadera things. I don't know, I just like showing my back, I guess. I don't know. And you know, these types of tops are kind of expensive, which is weird because, you know, you don't need that much fabric for it. And yeah, I made my own and I can't wait to show you guys how to make your own as well. The first thing I'm going to transform is this t-shirt dress. This is super old. I feel like the last time I wore this was around 2017. I'm so thankful I kept it because the fabric is still so good and the color is so cute. You know, solid colored outfits are kind of in right now, so yeah, I wanted to transform it into something better. So for the top of this set, I wanted to recreate this swimsuit top. It's a little famous right now, but a lot of influencers are wearing it as a top. Then I made a skirt for the bottom because, you know, skirt is the easiest thing to do for the bottom. I made an illustration so that it's easier for you guys. I tried my best to make it look as easy as possible, but yeah, I placed my measurements there, but of course it's better if you stick to yours. So I placed the dress inside out, then I started drawing the shape of the top. As you can see, the sides are a bit slanted so that it covers the whole side boob area. And what I did here is that I measured underarm to underarm for the top edge, then added 2.5 inches for the bottom. After cutting, I then used hem roll tape to cover the top and bottom edges. Hem roll tape is my lifesaver, I swear. You literally just put the hem roll tape inside the fold, then use an iron or flat iron to stick the two sides together. What I do is that I fold it first using my flat iron before putting the hem roll tape. It's easier that way and safer, I guess. Then I'll draw a line on each side using my fabric chalk on where I'm planning to sew. This is where we're putting the straps, so you have to make sure you're leaving space for it. When you're done sewing, you should be able to see a hole and make sure it fits your strap. Using the extra fabric that I have, I started making 1-inch straps first. Then I used hem roll tape again. I swear guys, this is the most useful thing ever. I folded it twice like so, and I used my flat iron again to fold it. Then I placed the hem roll tape inside to stick them together. After that, I hand stitched them together, making 2 long straps. Once I was done with that, I placed the straps inside the hole that I did earlier. Then I connected the top end of the strap with the other side by hand stitching it. Make sure to make it loose so that it can easily move. For the skirt, I used an old skirt to trace. I drew an extra inch at the top and bottom for the hemming. Then I sewed the sides inside out. Then I used hem roll tape to cover the top and bottom edges. Then I made another of the same set with a dress that I only wore once. After one wash, it shrunk, so I couldn't wear it anymore because, like, you know, my butt was like showing every time I bend a bit. So yeah, I kept it because the fabric was so nice. The zebra print is so cute and in right now, so yeah, I knew I could like do something about it, and I knew that I could transform it into something better, and I did, and I'm so happy because it looks like I bought it from Verge Girl. It exactly like from that brand. For this dress naman, it had a zipper already, so I used the zipper for the skirt because I didn't want to waste it. And yeah, you don't need to do that, but yeah, I just did it because sayang lang yung zippers. So for the second top, I wanted to kind of recreate this top from RUMI. RUMI is a hella expensive brand that I cannot afford ever in my life, but their tops are so cute. Their designs are hella cute. And yeah, I wanted to recreate it. I thrifted this dress for 50 pesos. 50 pesos, guys. In Makati Sino Square. I know the dress kind of looks like, it's kind of okay, the dress. But the fabric, the color, and like the pattern is so cute. So I bought it. I mean, like, it's 50 pesos anyways. And I knew I could like do something about it. So for this top, the steps are kind of similar with the set that I did earlier. So I first drew the shape, then I cut right after. Then used hem roll tape to cover the top sides, or basically the parts that I'm not going to sew. I used fabric glue, by the way, for the bottom part, like the V-shaped part. I didn't have any clips of that, so I just wanted to let you know. After that, I started sewing the top. leaving space again for the strap. Then did the same thing to the sides. Okay, for the strap, I kinda wanted a super thin strap. Since the fabric is thin, I tried twisting the fabric until it looks super thin. Then I ironed it until it stayed that way. This is not recommended, but I found the distressed look kind of cute, so I kept doing it. Then I placed the straps inside the top part first. Then placed both ends of the strap on opposite sides so that it creates an X shape. If you guys do recreate this, make sure to tag me on Instagram. Not really Twitter because I don't use Twitter. I'd love to see what you guys did, and yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below any suggestions of what you guys want me to do next, and yeah, love y'all. Bye. See you guys next video. See y'all.